How to fix Lenovo integrated camera not working in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Toggle on Allow apps to access your camera. Scroll down to choose which apps can access your camera. Toggle on all the apps you want to access the camera. Close the window. Test the camera to see if it's working properly. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Press the Windows key plus I on your keyboard to open the Windows settings. Click on Recovery located on the right-hand side. Next, click on Reset PC. Choose the option Keep My Files. Click on Local Reinstall and then select Next. In the subsequent window, click on Reset and confirm your decision. Allow the process to complete. Once the process finishes, check to see if the issue on your PC has been resolved.